Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the best purchasing decisions without the headache. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On my left, we've got the Holystone HS110D, and on my right, the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone. Let's see which one flies high and which one crashes and burns. First up, let's talk money. The Holystone HS110D comes in at a budget-friendly $99. Perfect if you want to spend more on pizza and less on tech. But if you're looking to splurge a bit, the CHUBORY Super Enduring will set you back $149. That's $50 more, or roughly 5 cups of fancy coffee. So if you're a caffeine addict, maybe stick with Holystone. Next, let's get into the cameras. The Holystone offers a 1080p FOV, 120 degrees HD FPV camera. Pretty sweet, right? It's like having a mini Spielberg in the sky. But wait, CHUBORY isn't backing down. It's got a 2K HD camera adjustable within 90 degrees. That's right, it's like the drone equivalent of having your own personal paparazzi. Reviewers have mentioned that Holystone's camera is good, but nothing spectacular, while CHUBORY's camera quality is often praised for its clarity and range. Now, let's talk flight time. The Holystone gives you a modest 20 minutes with its 2 modular batteries. Not bad if you're just looking to impress your neighbors. But the CHUBORY, oh, it's ready to party! With 3 upgraded batteries, you get a whopping 84 minutes. That's longer than most of my relationships. Reviewers have praised CHUBORY for its extended flight time, making it a favorite for longer sessions. For all the newbies out there, user-friendliness is a big deal. Holystone has altitude hold and headless mode, which basically means it's idiot-proof. Perfect for those of us who can barely operate a toaster. But CHUBORY's got a whole suite of features: optical flow positioning, follow me, and even gesture selfie. It's like having a personal assistant in the sky. Reviewers find Holystone easy to use, especially for beginners, while CHUBORY's advanced features make it a bit more complex, but rewarding. Last but not least, let's see which one can take a hit. The Holystone is great for casual flyers, but the CHUBORY? It's built like a tank with its brushless motors and upgraded composite materials. This thing could probably survive a zombie apocalypse. Meanwhile, Holystone might need a bit more TLC after a rough landing. Reviewers have noted that while Holystone is durable for beginners, CHUBORY's build quality is superior and can handle more abuse. Overall, the Holystone HS110D is praised for its affordability and ease of use, making it ideal for beginners. However, it falls short in camera quality and flight time compared to CHUBORY. On the other hand, the CHUBORY Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone impresses with its camera quality, extended flight time, and robust build, though it comes at a higher price point. Some reviewers did experience issues with CHUBORY, but its advanced features and performance make it a strong contender. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-use drone to get your feet wet, the Holystone HS110D is your go-to. But if you're ready to take your drone game to the next level with epic flight time and a camera that'll make your Instagram pop, then the CHUBORY Super Enduring is your best bet. Remember, no matter which drone you choose, you're still cooler than the guy with no drone. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.